Alright, here's a great little rocket stove I'm testing right now. This is actually a pocket rocket. Very, very small. You can tell by my finger how small this is. Yet still capable of cooking. It could take a small pan or another tin can to cook in or heat water very easily here. And this is demonstrating the principle of the rocket stove very well. And this is just a very small tin can this was made out of. This was like tomato paste or something. And all recycled parts. This is at the base is an old faucet handle, and then I have this under fire feedstock entry point where you can just simply, like any rocket stove, push in sticks as needed, like so. And bear in mind that when you cook on here, you got to have these overfire holes for the combustion gases to exit, or you're going to actually put out the fire. So if I went, I don't have a pan with me but I'll take my coffee cup. So when I put the pan on, see, it'll snuff it out. But you can tell by the flames coming out how well this little thing's working, like any rocket stove. And all a rocket stove really is a very old technology. It's actually a hobo stove that was used during the Great Depression because they knew about utilizing this technology for quick, efficient cooking. I don't really know where the modern term rocket stove comes from because it's actually a hobo stove. You can look that up. And I just wanted to share with you guys how well something this small can work. I mean, these flames are literally right up to here, and I've only stuck some small twigs in here. That's all I've done. And as it consumes it, like always, I'll just replenish it. I don't even have to push these in all the way. I can let them burn halfway and just keep pushing, keep pushing, keep pushing. Nothing bad's gonna happen. Alright, I hope you enjoyed my video and maybe learned something. I hope you build some projects yourself. I hope you and your families please take care. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe.